say that's a 10 on the awkward scale.
Push rod fury.
Well, here we go. Another AMF Harley. This is the third one now. Second Sportster. Alright, what are we doing today? I really shouldn't be working on this at all because I got all other bikes needing a little bit of attention. But anyway, this bike is super new to me. I've had it for a few days. But what we're going to do is put a center stand on it. So we're going to put that on and it'll make things like changing a primary, working on the clutch, removing the chain, removing the tire, all that stuff. So easy compared to a side stand bike. So I don't have to put it on the bike lift. Let me show you what we got. Okay. So this is the center stand, and this goes to the left side of the bike, and it's supported with brackets. There'll be another one just like this that sits in there. Now I trimmed this down because I thought I was going to put it on a 79 and there was a clearance issue, so I hope that's not a problem. And then we're going to secure it. We're going to use the hardware that's already on the bike for the right side, and we're going to use this hardware that came with it on the left side. And it should be straightforward, and there's a spring. So we're going to need a spring puller, which we'll get later. I have one. And we are going to get started. So let me show you where we are. I've already put this one in just to prevent the exhaust bracket from being unsupported. This goes this way, so I'm just going to put this one on this side real quick. Oops. This goes. Okay. There's a groove right here. See that groove? The pin has to sit in that groove. And so in order to get there, you can't really just put you have to go like that. And then oh wow, it will. Okay. Oops. And then rotate the other side up. Put it through there. So far so good. Now if the acorn nuts didn't have enough clearance to face in, or these lock nuts, not acorn nuts, it's lock nuts. So we'll get that situated, but we need to get this other bolt in, the original exhaust bolt on the other side. Got it up on a jack stand. I can just barely get the bolt through. One of the bolts didn't have a washer on it from the factory. Unless someone took it off and forgot to put it back on. This bike doesn't look like it's been touched much. So anyway, that's the basic installation. And then the spring goes on. Let's get all these bolts tightened up. see, so, oops. So this is supposed to go like that. You see all this? So I have eye protection on. What? So I got the spring on. You can see that right here. Now, I put a bunch of washer. I put eye protection on. I put a 1/4-inch T-drive through there and held the other end and gave me leverage to bend it and put washers in there. I inserted this side first, and on this side I just kind of rested on the post. Brake post here, brake pedal post, and then I just had to push it and it slipped right on. So I didn't get it on camera, but you can see kind of the technique. I installed this side first because you just can't get this hooked by pulling with a spring puller. So I'll grab the needle nose pliers and I'll take those out of there. All right. Well, that doesn't... That's right. That does seem right. Except that... No, it doesn't hit there either. Wow, look at that. Alright, folks. Say that's a 10 on the awkward scale. That's a little better. There we go. So there we are up on the center stand. Look. Imagine how easy it's going to be to service the bike now.